Good morning, boys and girls. If you're having trouble with your ELA, I just would like to review it. You click the title. You click View Assignment. On this page, it shows all the documents and directions. Step 1, watch the video. This is where we would watch the video Miss Sullivan made for us and then follow any instructions that she gives us. Step 2, continue next to pages. Over here, it's where we would read the next couple of pages. Lastly, it says answer questions about text on Google Form, KW graphic organizer optional. Over here, it is a KWL chart. You can write on this. It's to help organize our thinking. It's just to help give some guidance if anyone is confused about the book and just wants to brainstorm. We are not going to grade this, but in the future, there will be some work that we will grade on a graphic organizer. As of right now, this one is just for brainstorming. It automatically saves. There is no save button with Google Docs. Everything saves. Do not click turn in until you are done. If you would like us to see it, you click turn in. Then it gets sent to Ms. Dinsmore and Ms. Sullivan. This is Google Forms. This is the questions that Ms. Sullivan and Ms. Dinsmore will be grading. You answer the questions and click send. It says submit. Click submit. Once it submits, we will get your work and we will look back at it. Over here, if you have any comments that you want to tell Ms. Dinsmore or Ms. Sullivan you need help, you click add a private comment and it will send to us. Anything you would like to say, any concerns, any confusion, any questions, you can send it here. This is a class comment. Maybe you have a question that you would like the whole class to see because you want them to learn from it too. You can put this here. But if there is a private question, you put it in the private comments. Whatever you feel comfortable with is fine. So that's how we figure out the ELA assignment. Please let me know if you are confused, if you need any help or anything like that. Thank you.